You have heard it everywhere. AI is the future. Every business needs AI. Don't get left behind. So you invested, you bought the tools, you attended the webinars. But here is what they didn't tell you. AI doesn't fail because of bad technology, it fails because of bad foundations, like disconnected data, unclear strategy, and teams working in silos. And the questions that keep you up at night. First, are we actually getting ROI from this? Second, the gap between AI's promise and AI's reality. Most companies are stuck in spending, experimenting, and waiting for the breakthroughs that quite never comes. What they need isn't another tool, they need a partner who has navigated this before. That's where we come in. Before we get into it, here is exactly what we are covering today. First, is your business actually ready for AI? We will walk you through how to assess your data, your team, and your strategy. Second, how to free your team from manual work. We will show you how our generative AI services automate manual work from your team. Third, how to make all your AI tools work as one. Our AI integration services turn fragmented tools into one intelligent system. Fourth, AI built specifically for your business. Custom AI and ML solutions designed around your workflows, your data, and your competitive edge. And finally, our proven delivery process and how we help businesses like yours achieve the AI outcomes they actually set out to deliver. Let's get into it. Here is the truth most vendors won't tell you. You can't build a smart business on a messy foundation. Before AI can drive impact, three questions need answers. First, is your data actually ready? Most AI projects fail here. Inconsistent formats, data is scattered across systems, and gaps everywhere. Our data health check shows you what needs fixing before you waste your time and budget. Second, does your team know where to start? Our AI readiness calculator gives you clarity under 3 minutes. Where you stand, what to prioritize, and what's missing. For a deeper dive, our AI maturity assessment benchmarks your entire organization around technology, operations, and culture. Third, what should you actually build first? Not everything and not all at once. Through AI strategy and road mapping, we identify your use cases that will move the needle, align to your business goals, your team's capacity, and your timeline. Because without the right foundation, every step forward is a gamble. Even with a strategy in place, most teams hit the same wall. Manual work is killing momentum. Support ticket piling up, document that needs processing, research that take a lot of days, content that's always behind the schedule. Your team isn't slow, they are just stuck doing work that AI should handle. Our Gen AI process automation eliminates that friction. We automate document handling, support workflows, research tasks, and content creation using models like GPT, Gemini, and Claude. But here is what matters for regulated industries. For healthcare, financial services, and legal organizations, security isn't optional. It's everything. We deploy AI with security baked in from day one. Enterprise LLM deployments that keep your data private, models that never leave your infrastructure, compliance with HIPAA, GDPR, SOC 2, and industry specific regulations. We go further with agentic AI, autonomous agents that don't just respond, they reason, plan, and execute across multi step processes, all within your secure environment. The result? Your team stops reacting and starts creating. And when decisions need data fast, our AI powered insight generation delivers content rich intelligence so leadership can act with confidence and not guesswork. This isn't about replacing people, it's about freeing them to do work that actually matters securely. But here is where many AI initiatives stall, tools that don't talk to each other. You have got AI for sales, AI for support, AI for analytics, but none of them connect. Data is trapped, insights are fragmented, and your teams are more confused than before. AI integration and enablement solves this. We embed AI into the tools your team already uses. Slack, Salesforce, your CRM, your dashboard. So adoption is seamless, not disruptive. No more switching between platforms, no more manual data transfer, and no more insights that arrive too late. Your AI works together, your data flows freely, your team stay focused. Integration isn't just about connecting tools, it's about creating an intelligent ecosystem. Now, here is where enterprises face their biggest decisions. Off the shelf AI wasn't built for reality. Your workflows aren't generic, your data isn't standardized, your competitive edge isn't something you can buy from a marketplace. Generic AI tools makes three dangerous assumptions. First, your business processes looks like everyone else, but they don't. Second, your data is clean, structured, and ready to use, which is rare. Third, your competitive advantage comes from doing the same thing as your competitor, just slightly faster. That's not a strategy. This is why enterprises need custom AI and ML solutions. In healthcare, intelligent document processing for medical records, predictive analytics for patient outcomes, clinical decision support, all trained on your protocols, your patient population, and your workflows. In financial services, fraud detection that understands your transaction patterns, credit risk modeling based on your portfolio history, and algo trading tailored to your strategy. In retail and e commerce, recommendation engines trained on your customer behavior, demand forecasting that factors in your seasonality, and dynamic pricing that reflects your market position. In legal, custom contract and workflow automation tailored to your firm's processes, AI powered summarization and document analysis that turns long record into clear insights, and compliance tools built around your legal standards. In insurance, claim processing automation that understands your policy structure, risk assessment models trained on your historical data, and underwriting intelligence that reflect your risk appetite. Generic AI gives you the same results as your competitors. Custom AI gives you the edge they can't copy. Our approach isn't theoretical, it's proven. Step 1, data readiness and assessment. Before you build anything, we audit your data, system, and capabilities so you know exactly where you stand before you move forward. Step 2, strategy aligned to your business outcomes. We build AI strategies laser focused on your real business outcomes from revenue growth to operational efficiency. Step 3, rapid prototyping and testing. We build fast, test faster, and turn every failure into a sharper and smarter solution. Step 4, deployment and execution. We deploy AI seamlessly into the tools and systems your team already uses. Step 5, continuous optimization. We continuously monitor, retrain, and evolve your AI because the best systems don't just perform today, they get smarter every single day. All delivered through agile execution, cross-functional collaboration, and KPIs that actually measure what matters. Why Maruti Tech Labs? Because we have been where you are. We have delivered 100 plus successful AI projects across industries, earning a 98% net promoter score from clients who have seen real results. We are not selling experiments, we are not pitching possibilities, we are delivering outcomes. Recognized as a top AI and software development partner, we bring together strategy, engineering, and scale. Our team don't just build models, they build systems that last, solutions that scale, intelligence that drive decisions. The engineering behind the impact, that's what sets us apart. AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. The question isn't whether to act, it's whether you will build on hype or on a foundation that lasts. Connect with Maruti Tech Labs. Let's build AI's promise into your reality.